Hey there, I'm Davey from Exodus.io. If you're watching this video, you may be wondering why you can't move your entire XRP balance out of your wallet. Well, you're not alone. A lot of people ask why 20 XRP remains stuck in their wallet. It can be really frustrating not being able to move out all of your funds. Hang with me for a minute while I explain why XRP addresses require a 20 XRP minimum balance and whether or not it can ever be moved. Just like some bank accounts require a minimum balance, the XRP ledger requires a minimum deposit of 20 XRP to activate an address. Now, once an address is active, everything will be just like we are used to with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other asset, except that the minimum balance cannot be moved out. So what's the reason for the 20 XRP requirement? According to the XRP developer portal, the XRP ledger enforces reserve requirements in order to protect the shared global ledger from growing excessively large. Basically, if every address locks 20 XRP to it, it reduces the likelihood of users creating multiple addresses. And this will help keep RAM and disk space requirements low. Now, you may be asking, will 20 XRP remain locked to my address forever? That is a great question. And the answer depends on what happens with the price of XRP. If the price shoots up, maybe to $589 like many in the XRP army speculate, then the reserve requirement can be lowered, as long as the changes are approved by consensus by Ripple validators. So, until we see some significant price movement, you'll likely be stuck holding those XRP. Let us know in the comments what you think, and please don't kill the messenger. If this video helped answer your question, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And don't forget to visit us at Exodus.io.